Did that just say I'm inside? Did that just say I'm inside? Oh my God. Hold on. Man, I can't imagine. If it's like this out here, can you imagine what it's like in the building itself? Oh my God. Are you still here? We can't go in, y'all. It's too risky right now. I might do it another time and not let anybody know where I am. But I'm not willing to risk a SWAT, like, you know. So I'll do it in there another time, but y'all will never know what you'll never know. You won't know where I'm at. You know what I'm saying?